Welcome to this video about daily English conversation lessons with subtitle. Do you want to learn English? The best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and your English listening skills. English listening skills are so important. Listen to these conversations often and practice saying them when you can during the day. You will improve your speaking and listening ability very quickly with this way. Listen to the conversation and repeat each sentence. I think David is running a fever. I think David is running a fever.
What should we do? His parents are not here. What should we do? His parents are not here.
I don't want to give him anything he shouldn't take. I don't want to give him anything he shouldn't take.
How do we know what dose is all right for him? How do we know what dose is all right for him?
We should call the local pharmacy. We should call the local pharmacy.
Can they help us? They're not doctors. Can they help us? They're not doctors.
I'm sure they can. I'm sure they can.
It's worth a try. What's the number? It's worth a try. What's the number? It's here, on this receipt. It's here, on this receipt.
Thank you. Can you call his parents? Thank you. Can you call his parents?
What should I say? What should I say?
We need to let them know he is feeling sick. We need to let them know he is feeling sick. Thanks for watching. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel, publish video to your friends. Thanks so much.